Sushmita. So welcome back to my channel. So today is going to be my Face Shop's Addictive Skincare Kit unboxing, or rather unpacking, and I'm going to be sharing with you all the products which are inside this Addictive Skincare Kit and what they look like, whether it's worth the purchase or not. So let's get started with today's video. This is what the bag looks like. Now it comes in this sort of a packaging. Of course, it came bubble wrapped, and I bought this one from Purple. Now the moment this was launched, I think it was launched at the time of Diwali. So the moment it was launched, it went out of stock on Nykaa, and like after 2-3 days, it went out of stock on Purple.com as well. So I mean, I was like so shocked that what is inside this bag. Thankfully, like ordered one for myself, and I have received this. So yeah, let's just see what this thing is. So this is the bag, and you can see it's a very nice ombre sort of an effect. The colors are very nice. It's pretty pastels, and of course it's written addictive skincare inside this bag, so it's great. It looks so pretty, and of course it comes with this sort of a handle, and the entire thing is by the way plastic. So inside this bag you get this sort of a zip, and this is so good because this is completely waterproof. This plastic packaging is present all over, so this makes this bag like perfectly waterproof. You can actually carry this to the beach, you can carry this to any place where you need to have like a waterproof bag. I mean, the bag itself, this pouch itself is worth around 400 to 500 rupees. Like, this is so cool. Now this one has got this zip. Now, like a lot of other such bags or anything we should receive, the zips were like the zips are pretty flimsy. Here the zip is like pretty sturdy, like it's nice and sturdy. This is something which I really like. I mean, the overall quality of this bag is pretty good. So this one retails for 100 and like 1100 rupees, so which of course includes this bag as well. The outer packaging of this is thrown off. Now let's just open and see what all is there inside this bag. So the first thing which I could find, okay, so this is the first thing which comes in this bag. So this is the Face Shop's Rice Water Foaming Cleanser, and it is 100 ml, and the original MRP of this one, okay, so they haven't mentioned the original MRP. Yeah. So this is what the thing is. So this is 100 ml. Now the original Face Shop's Rice Water Cleanser comes for 150 ml, and I think that is somewhere for around 500 to 600 rupees. And this one is 100 ml, and this one, I mean, they have not mentioned the price here. So this is what the thing looks like. So this is pretty standard size. I mean, I would call this a mini. This is pretty standard. So yeah, I mean, this is cool. If you get like so many products for like 100, 1100, this is pretty nice. Of course, I haven't opened any of these. You can see the packaging is like still intact. So I'm yet to try any of these products. I just wanted to share the first unboxing with you all because this is like something so pretty. I mean, I love this thing. So this is the first product which I could like come across. Now the next thing which I can get my hands on, okay, this is this thing. This is the Face Shop's Jeju Aloe 99%. So it's basically contain aloe extract from Jeju. Now Jeju is basically like an island. It's a volcanic island along, I think, South Korea or North Korea. Now this is Jeju Aloe Fresh Soothing Gel, and this is 300 ml. And this one also retail, okay, this one is 300 ml, and this one retails for 450 rupees. So this is like the exact normal size one, the standard size packaging, not small, nothing. So the original map of this one is 450 rupees, which is like, of course, it itself is quite a lot. Again, I haven't opened any of these. I was planning to get this aloe vera gel because I mean, I think this is the 5th or 6th video when I'm mentioning that I'm crazy about aloe vera gel. So I was planning to get this one, but I was like, okay, for 300 ml, I was not ready to shell out around 450 rupees. But since I was getting this, like I got the skincare kit. In fact, the major reason I got this was because of this product. So I was like, ye to lena hai abhi. So this is the thing. I mean, the packaging is very sturdy. It comes in this tub. The only problem with this is that it's a tub packaging. A lot of people might not like it. Like I recently bought the Lakme's aloe vera gel as well, which also comes in a tub. So yeah, this is the thing, and I'm really happy with this entire skincare kit because I mean, it's like someone's kind of pampering you. I mean, I think it's gonna be perfect if you kind of gift it to someone during the Christmas or something. So yeah, this is the next thing. So the next thing which is here, okay, yeah. So this is the Face Shop's Cherry Blossom Daily Perfume Hand Cream. So this is a thing. This is what it looks like, and this is 30 ml. The MRP is 300 bucks, so that was 450. This is 300, so it already brings us to around 750. So yeah. Now this one is again the standard size. Most of the hand creams that you get are either 30 to 40 ml. As I said, I just used this once. Like the remaining packaging is there. I used this once just to smell it. It smells really nice. Of course, it doesn't smell as good as the cherry blossom range from the Body Shop, but I really like this one. And it looks super pretty, like the packaging and all, it's super pretty. I absolutely like this. Now the next thing which I have, I think it's a sheet mask. Yeah, so it comes with this sheet mask, and this is the Face Shop's The Solution. Okay, so this is the Solution range. So they have got two ranges. So one is the Solution range where they have like things like a particular solution or a particular sort of ingredient, and there's this other range which comes with things like the bamboo, aloe, tea tree, and like that. So this is, I think, a little more expensive. This is 150 rupees. Yeah, so the Solution ranges retail for 150, whereas the others retail for 100 rupees. So this is the brightening face mask, and this is a formulated with pearl one. So this is, I think, one of the most hyped face masks out there. So this is a pearl one. As I said, I'm yet to use all of the products, and yeah, so this is what the thing looks like. You already feel so much of things inside. So yeah, this is the next thing. Now we are on to, I think, the last few things which are left. Okay. Oh my god, the next thing is this mask. This is the mask look like. I'll open this thing and show you. Like, I haven't like unboxed any of these yet. Okay. So this is what the mask. So this is what the mask looks like. Then it says that hopefully I didn't transfer any lipstick here. So this one stays glow that will start rumors. Like, yeah, they are pretty, like they did their homework on this range. So they also came up with this super nice mask, and it also has got this ombre sort of an effect. I'll show you. This is like the ombre effect. It's so pretty. Like this, the entire thing, that both of these, they look very similar. So I mean, of course, if you're going, like I am going on a beach holiday, and I'm definitely gonna carry this with me. So this is like, I really love this. This is one of those things which I absolutely loved about this entire skincare kit. Is like you come with a mask, and like, you know, there are times when you don't really feel like wearing those boring masks. You can just literally put it. So yeah. Now the last thing which is here is this okay, so the last thing which we have here is this brightening skincare kit. Okay, now this is like a mini. I mean, I don't even know which one's the front side. So this is like a mini version. It is like the small size products. They don't have like the normal size products. So the net volume is 32. I think somewhere around 1100 ml. Okay, I'll just open this thing and show you what it is like. Okay. So this is what this thing looks like. I just took none of this was down. So this is what it looks like now. So it comes with this. This is the how do you pronounce it even? So this is basically their brightening cream. Okay, this is the brightening cream. This one is the brightening serum. And then you have these two like things. This one is the brightening emulsion. So yeah, this is the thing. And I'm holding this like a tree. Oh my god. And this is the brightening toner. So yeah, these are the four things. So these, I think the amounts, these are 32 ml. So yeah, so these two, the toner and the emulsion, are 32 ml, and the serum is 8 ml and the cream is 10 ml. I mean, it's pretty decent. Like, okay, if I'm just getting to try this one out, I really like these samples or these minis which come with product, because I feel like brands like Face Shop, Innisfree, Laneige, these are pretty expensive. So I really appreciate when they send you like samples or like product minis, because you can actually try these out before you just shell out a lot of money on those products. So it kind of just gives you like an overview. So if you like it, if it works for you, well and good. If it doesn't work for you, can just give it a miss without like spending so much on these expenses. So well, that was my unboxing, unpacking, and first impressions about the Face Shop's Addictive Skincare Kit. Now my take on whether you should purchase this product or not. On Nykaa, they had this thing that if you're purchasing above 9.99, this one is 1100, so it's definitely above 9.99, you would get like an additional 3 samples of some product. But of course it was sold out on Nykaa, so I couldn't get my hands on them. I bought it from Purple. But of course, if you get such deals or anything, I think you can jolly well try these out. And of course, I have not tried these, so if you want to see me doing like a review about these products and whether these products work on my skin or not, you can definitely comment down below. Yeah, that was pretty much all for today's video. If you guys like this, don't forget to give a thumbs up, and also hit the subscribe button and the notification bell button next to it so you never miss an update. And I will see you guys soon with a brand new video.